Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of dx over the square root of 7x squared minus 8. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about x equal to the square root of 8 over 7, and we use about secant of t. Dx equal to this one multiplied with secant of t tan t dt. So we put this one in here, and now you will get about 8 over 7 secant t squared. Dx we change for this one. This one we got about 8, and now we put the square root of 8 outside. We have the square root of 8 and square root of 8, we simplify. We put this one in here. Next, we have secant of t squared minus 1 equal to tan t squared. We put this one in here. The square root of tan t squared, you got about tan t. You got about tan t simplify tan t, you got about secant dt. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of secant t, you will get about ln of absolute value of tan t plus secant t. About t, we need to change back for s, so that should be about t equal to r secant. And we divide both sides with the square root of 8 over 7. You got about s multiplied with the square root of 7 over 8. We put this one in here. We know that secant of our secant, you got about this one. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.